Right, today we're going to have a look at a new light from our good friends at ProLight under the Equinox brand. It's a bit old school, this. It's a bit retro. I remember when these type of lights used to be out years and years and years ago, because I am old now, where they had like light bulbs in them. So they would rotate. We're going to show you the light on. They would rotate around and they'd have pin spots in here, 22 watt pin spots. They were old school, yeah, but they always looked great. Anyhow, this one is an LED version. And we've probably seen a light like this before, but this again, it's dropping in at a price point. As you know, these lights come out. I think we saw one of these from American DJ 4 years ago. It was a fortune. It was much more expensive than what this is. But these things tumble down in price over the years. The technology gets cheaper and cheaper. And now I think this is it's a good price, and I think you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. For pricing, click the link in the description to the video and it'll take you through to our website, and don't forget to ring the bell and click subscribe. Right, should be quite easy for you to tell you about this one, and then we're going to take it in the other room. We're going to put some smoke on and show you it on. I do think this is going to be one of them effects that is going to look better in smoke. If you've got smoke and haze in the room, that's where this item is going to look stunning. So when we do this video, we're going to put some smoke and haze in the room. It's not that you can't use it with smoke and haze, it's just it really comes alive. You can see the beams of light. Let's just go through a few of the specs. We've got 6 40 watt quad coloured RGBW LEDs that are producing a beam angle of 2 degrees. So this is, you know, a very narrow, sharp beam. And I've seen it on and it punches. It really does punch. We can control it via DMX, and there's 16 channels of DMX to control from. We've got active, auto, so auto mode. There's only one auto mode. I know in some of these lights there's lots of different auto modes. So far I've only found one, but I think there only really needs to be one in this type of effect. It'll work sound to light, it'll work master and slave on a primary and secondary mode as well, so it'll give it that inverted kind of look. Right, pan and tilt positioning. We have got the base, which has a pan of 540 degrees. The tilt is 270 degrees, and the head pan is 360 degrees continuous. So it's going to spin round and round and round. For the DMX guys, we've got 16-bit pan / tilt positioning. And that'll be important to you. And it weighs nearly 6 kilos, 5.9 kilo. This is, it's part plastic, part metal construction. So all this is metal, all this is metal. It's got a plastic arm on the side. I think that's plastic, this is metal. But it feels like it's quite well made. I've got no complaints about this at all. Come into the back of the unit, because there's the panel on there for control, which is a colour LCD panel. Come at the back, we have got PowerCon. Now, do you know what? I prefer things on PowerCon. I prefer PowerCon to True One. I just think this is a more, I don't know. I've got more PowerCons, you know, in my life. This TR1, please, manufacturers, can we either go IEC or can we go for PowerCon? Unless it's an IP rated fixture, well, yeah, the TR1 will come in. We've got PowerCon in and PowerCon out, so we can link these, power linking, great. And we've got DMX in and out on 3-pin XLR, and we've got our on and off switch. It comes with a Omega bracket to hang it upside down. Comes in the box. So a proper twist, quick fit Omega bracket. Comes with a safety cable as well, a nice little extra, and the eyelet for that as well, and it comes with our PowerCon lead. I think we need to see it on, because I really do think this looks great. Well, I think you'd agree with me there. That is mega bright. We've just come into the storeroom / lighting room. Gets used for everything at the minute. And it's a bit full in here at the moment. But I think you could agree that that is punching. I'm not going to put it into sound to light mode. Just saves us on the old copyright on YouTube. But I think that filled most venues. Imagine a load of them. think it'll work really well hanging up as well. So what I think we will actually do is we'll probably hang it from our rig up there. But just for now, we've just got it stood on a podium. Love the colours on it. Gotta say, I like that product. It's a bit old school. Needs a bit of smoke in the room. But what an effect. Oh yeah. So there you go. I think it looked stunning. Yeah. The UFO, the Equinox UFO. More information, click the link in the description. Take you through to the website. I think that looks great. It's a bit of old school, bit of me. I am old school.